In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Klaviyo pop-up to Postscript. This process can be wrapped up in just about 5 minutes, so let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open your preferred web browser and search for Postscript. Once you're on the Postscript site, go ahead and log into your account. You can do this by entering your email and password. If you find it more convenient, you can also use your linked Shopify website to log in. Once you're logged into Postscript, take a look at the side menu, which is an important navigation tool within the platform. From there, select the Integrations option. This is where you'll be able to manage connections between Postscript and other applications, like Klaviyo. Now, look for the Klaviyo integration card within the menu and give it a click. You should see prompts on the screen guiding you through the next steps. Follow these prompts to log into your Klaviyo account. This is an essential part of the process because you need to give Postscript the permissions it needs to work in conjunction with Klaviyo. At some point, you'll likely be asked to enter your Klaviyo API keys. This is a crucial step if you want to sync lists and forms effectively, so keep those keys handy to speed things up. Once you've got the accounts connected, head over to your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Sign Up Forms section, which you'll find in the side menu. This is where you'll manage all your pop-up forms. Find and select the specific pop-up you intend to use. You'll notice the URL contains a form ID, which is unique to that specific pop-up. Go ahead and copy this form ID. We'll need it for the next steps. Let's switch back to your Postscript account. Once again, select Integrations from the side menu. Click on the Klaviyo integration card, just as we did before. This time, you'll want to either add new form, or, if it's the first time you're doing this, you'll see an option to add first form. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to enter some information. This is where you'll paste the Klaviyo form ID you copied earlier. Make sure you paste it into the provided field accurately to avoid any connection issues. Before saving, confirm compliance by selecting the I certify TCPA compliance option. This lets you proceed knowing you're adhering to relevant data protection regulations. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Once you do, your Klaviyo pop-up will be linked to Postscript, and you can start enjoying the benefits of this seamless integration. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully connected your Klaviyo pop-up to Postscript. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.